Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about mastering Python Shelve. So the Shelve module in Python provides a simple key value database stored on disk. It allows you to save Python objects persistently, retrieve them later, use dictionary-like syntax for storage, and it is very perfect for small databases, cache memory, and quick storage without setting up the real database. So let's understand this with some basic examples. So the first one is create a shelf and store value. So for this we'll import the shelf module, and here shelf.open, this opens a persistent dictionary on a disk, and my data is the database file prefix, and similarly we'll create this for age. And now we'll print this. So now the data is saved successfully, and now let's see what output does it gives. So here we can see the data is saved successfully. So data stored is a key value pair. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read data from Shelve. So here for that we'll import the Shelve module, and now we'll open that. So here data remains available even after the program restarts. So here we'll print the value with the key name. So this works like a normal dictionary, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see this is so fast and so efficient to work on. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is store a list in a shelf. So we have imported the library, and similarly as we created for the dictionary, we'll create this for the list, and here we'll create the list. So here we have created the list, and now let's see its output. So here we can see the list is saved successfully in the shelf. So this automatically serialized the list also, and Shelve can store complex Python objects. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read a list from the shelf. So here we have imported the library, and this will print the list we have created in the above program. Now we'll see its output also. So here we can see the list is printed. Okay, so now moving on to the next one. So the next one is update a stored value. So here we have imported the library, and in this we'll open the beforehand stored value, and we will update that. And now we'll print and see this so that the value gets updated or not. So let's see the output. So here we can see the value gets updated, and write back is equals to true. This allows modification of stored mutable object. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is list all keys. So for this we'll import the module. So here db.keys, this will list all the keys, and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output that it listed all the keys. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is delete a key. So we'll also import the Shelve module. So this will delete the key from this, and will give a printed message that the key deleted. So let's see the output. So here we see the no output, means the key is deleted successfully. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is check if a key exists. So here we will see that the key name exists or not. So let's see the output. So as we can see that we have deleted the key name, so here it will give us false, means the key does not exist. So the Shelve module offers persistent dictionary-like storage, no need for database like file parsing, and it is automatically serialized of Python object. So when to use Shelve in small projects, cache data, storing user preference, and saving program state. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.